Have you ever wondered how blogging can boost your website's ranking? Sit back, relax, and let's delve into the captivating world of blogging. A world where words wield immense power, the power to elevate your website's visibility, to reach the farthest corners of the globe, and to engage with diverse audiences. Blogging, my friends, is not just a hobby for the creative minds, it's a potent tool for amplifying your website's reach and ranking. Let's decode this fascinating phenomenon. What makes blogging so special, you ask? Well, imagine you're a search engine like Google. Your job is to provide users with the most relevant and updated information. Now, if a website consistently delivers fresh, engaging content, wouldn't you want to reward it? That's exactly how blogging helps. It keeps your website bustling with new content, making it a hot favorite of search engines. But it's not just about quantity. Quality is the real game changer here. Not all blogs are created equal. The ones that truly make a difference are those brimming with substantial, relevant content. Content that resonates with your audience, answers their questions, and adds value to their lives. Blogging also opens up a world of opportunities to incorporate keywords, those magical words that help search engines understand what your website is all about. A well-crafted blog post, sprinkled with the right keywords, can work wonders for your website's visibility. Moreover, each blog post is a new page on your website, a new opportunity to be indexed by search engines. This increases the chances of your website showing up in user searches, driving more traffic your way. But the power of blogging extends beyond SEO. It helps build trust and credibility with your audience, positioning your website not just as a source of information, but as an authority in your field. So, as you can see, blogging plays a crucial role in your website's ranking. But how exactly does it work? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the mechanics of blogging for SEO in our next segment. Now that we understand the importance of blogging, let's delve into the mechanics of how it helps boost your website's ranking. Search engines like Google have algorithms that crawl and index your website's content. These algorithms are designed to determine the relevance and quality of content on your site. This is where blogging comes in. By regularly updating your blog with relevant, high-quality content, you provide these search engine algorithms with more information to index, effectively enhancing your website's visibility. Let's talk about keywords. Keywords are those terms and phrases that users type into search engines when they're looking for information. When you align your blog content with these search queries by strategically incorporating relevant keywords, you increase the chances of your blog appearing in search results. But remember, keyword stuffing or overusing keywords can lead to penalties. It's all about balance. Now, onto the importance of regular updates. Search engines favor websites that are regularly updated as it indicates that the site is active and providing fresh content. Regularly updating your blog not only shows search engines that your website is alive and kicking, but it also gives you more chances to rank for different keywords. High-quality content is another crucial factor. You might think, well, what exactly is high-quality content? It's content that provides value to your readers. This could be in the form of informative articles, engaging stories, helpful tips and tricks, or insightful commentaries. High-quality content is not only favored by search engine algorithms, but it also encourages readers to stay on your site longer, reducing your bounce rate, which in turn positively affects your ranking. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of relevance. The more relevant your content is to your audience, the better. Search engines are all about providing users with the most relevant results, so if your blog content closely matches what users are searching for, your chances of ranking higher increase. So, blogging isn't just about churning out content, it's about creating high-quality, relevant content that will appeal to both your readers and search engines. Now that we've covered the why and the how, let's move on to some practical tips for successful blogging. Firstly, it's crucial to research and use relevant keywords. You see, search engines like Google use keywords to understand what your blog post is about. The more relevant your keywords are, the higher your blog post will rank in search results. But remember, it's not about stuffing your post with keywords, it's about incorporating them naturally into your content. Next, let's talk about creating engaging headlines. Your headline is the first thing people see, so it needs to grab their attention and make them want to read more. A good headline is clear, concise, and intriguing. It tells the reader what the post is about, but also leaves them curious and wanting to know more. Now, on to using images and multimedia. Did you know that blog posts with images get 94% more views? That's right. Images, videos, infographics, and other types of multimedia can break up long sections of text, making your post more visually appealing and easier to digest. They can also help to illustrate your points and keep your readers engaged. So, you've created a great blog post. What's next? It's time to promote it on social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn are excellent ways to reach a wider audience. Share your post, invite feedback, engage with your readers. It's all part of building a community around your blog. Now, this next tip might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked: consistency. If you want to build a loyal readership, you need to post regularly. This doesn't mean you need to post every day, but you should stick to a schedule that works for you. Whether it's once a week or once a month, consistency is key. Finally, we need to talk about patience. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build an audience, to improve your search engine rankings, and to see the fruits of your labor. But don't be discouraged. Remember, every successful blogger started where you are now. Now, these are just a few tips to help you on your blogging journey. There are many more strategies and techniques to explore. But if you start with these basics, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful blog. Remember, blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards are well worth it. To sum up, blogging is a powerful tool that can significantly boost your website's ranking. It's not just about writing a few words and hitting publish. It's about creating value, building relationships, and establishing your authority in your field. We've discussed the importance of blogging extensively in this video. Remember, every blog post you publish is a new opportunity for your website to show up in search engine results. It gives search engines fresh content to index and helps establish your site as a resource of relevant information. The more quality content you provide, the more likely you are to attract and retain your audience. We also delved into the mechanics of blogging for SEO. We learned that search engines don't just rank pages, they rank content. And the more high-quality content you have, the higher your chances of ranking well. We talked about the importance of keywords, meta descriptions, and backlinks, and how these elements work together to boost your SEO. But it's not just about the technical aspects. We also shared some practical tips for successful blogging. We emphasized the importance of writing for your audience, not just for search engines. We discussed the value of originality, authenticity, and consistency. Remember, your blog is your voice. It's your chance to engage your audience, build trust, and establish your brand. Blogging is an investment. It takes time, effort, and a lot of creativity, but the rewards are worth it. Increased visibility, higher website ranking, stronger customer relationships, and improved brand reputation are just some of the benefits you can reap from blogging. So, let's round up. Blogging is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your business goals. If done right, it can significantly boost your website's ranking, attract more traffic, and increase conversions. So, if you're not blogging yet, now is the perfect time to start. Boost your website's ranking, increase your visibility, and start reaping the benefits of blogging today.